Hello? Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I can process your application. What's up guys? Another day, another client. So nandito tayo sa Subaru na magpapa-maintenance lang tayo. Pero may tuwag na kliyente. So tara, gawin natin yung policy niya. So guys, dito, pasok tayo sa Subaru. Meron namang lunch doon. So doon natin gagawin na kliyente. Dito tayo guys. Okay. What's up guys? So natapos ko na yung policy ng client habang nagpapaservice ako. So think about it. You can do this business like what I said kahit saan. Ang kailangan mo lang is laptop at internet connection. Nasubmit ko na application and hopefully ma-approve yung client para matulungan natin sila. Kagandaan nun, maliit lang yung premium na babayaran niya. Pero again, covered siya ng chronic, critical and terminal. So guys, if you need to know more, click this number. Thank you guys. Bye.